Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina bays. The defective numerical model leads the authors to conclude that the impact of an iron asteroid would have melted 106 to 164 cubic kilometers of ice, comparable to the amount of water in Lake Tahoe, and that an additional 4 cubic kilometers of ice would completely vaporize. The computer model is wrong because it does not produce results that correspond to a real physical event. The ice does not stay in place to melt and form a lake. If an extraterrestrial impact on an ice sheet just melted the ice to form a lake, then no ice would have been ejected to form the Carolina bays. Fortunately, we have the experiments from Professor Schultz that show us that this is just a myth. But regrettably, the paper was published in a recent peer-reviewed publication, which means that many future scientists will be misguided by the wrong information. The next episode has a surprise.